My dear students, today let's discuss a philosophical poem based on life philosophy. The poem is The Road Not Taken, class 9th NCERT. Dear children, or my dear students, life is a long journey. It is a journey of pain and pleasure, and it is a goal directed journey, and our behavior is pleasure seeking and pain avoiding. We proceed to reach at our goal. That's why I call it is a goal directed journey. And there is a popular saying, all roads lead to Rome. It means the goal is one, but the paths are many. But we people, we have to choose the right path to proceed in the right direction to reach at the right goal. And if we commit mistake, we regret, and we won't get any chance to come back. And this philosophy is nicely explained by the poet or our post in the poem The Road Not Taken. Once the poet was moving down a forest street, and at a junction he found a diversion, two branches, one road having two branches. So he was in dilemma. He was confused. He couldn't decide what path he would choose or what path he would select. He carefully observed. He looked down the end. He could see to some extent the end point of the road. Then he was confused to take the right decision. And he found two roads are equally well. And it was a yellow wood, means it was autumn. The roads were covered with the yellow leaves shed by the plants. And he found two roads are equally well, but one road was somewhat grassy, looked green, and it was untouched. It was not traveled by many people. And he considered that road as fair, and the poet moved or walked on that road. But the poet knew he couldn't return back. He couldn't come back to take the chance of other road. And he left the other road to be travelled another day, although he knew he would get no chance to travel on the other road. The poet knew the two ways lead to the goal. And all roads, on the way, he found all roads are equally well. All two roads were equally well. Means there were hurdles, difficulties, sorrows, pains, pleasures, advantages, disadvantages. But what do we have to do? What path we have selected? We have to face the challenges that are posed on the way, or that are projected on the way, so that we can achieve our target. So, the road that he selected made him a great poet, because he ventilated, he transmitted, and he communicated a message to the young generation. What is the spirit? What is the philosophy of that message? The message is, we young people, we have to choose the right option in our life to make our life meaningful. Because in our life we have two options. and which option would be meaningful, would be useful, and would be within our reach. We have to choose the right path, the right option to make our life meaningful or successful. So that was the message he ventilated, he transmitted our young generation. So we students, we should decide the right option, we should choose the right option to proceed in our life or to make our life or to achieve the goal of our life in the long run or in our life journey. So that's a good message he transmitted our young generation. So try to understand the short summary of the poem. Thank you.